Now, molecular mass. What is molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a single molecule of that substance, and the unit is used as Dalton. And you know, children, Dalton is small letter U. Now let us calculate the molecular mass of water. Let us start with water. Water, you know, children, hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms? 2. Oxygen, how many? 1. Mass of hydrogen atom is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. And oxygen, how many are present? 1 is present. And atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 2 plus 16 gives you 18. Okay. Now in order to learn the concept of mass or to calculate the molecular mass, let us design a method. Now children, the first example that is given to you is sodium chloride. Count the number of atoms. We have how many types of atoms? We have 2 types of atoms. We have chlorine and sodium. So what you have to do is, you first put 2 brackets. Now, the first one is sodium. Sodium how many? Only 1. Chlorine how many? Only 1. Now multiply this with the atomic mass. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Multiply, you get 23 plus 35.5, which comes to 58.5 Dalton. Very easy. Let us, these all sums we are going to do now. Now children, magnesium. How many different types of atoms are there? 2. One is magnesium and the other one is chlorine. So how many brackets we are going to put? Again we are going to make use of 2 brackets because 2 types of atoms are present. Okay. How many magnesium? 1. And how many chlorine? 2. Now what we will do? We will multiply with their atomic mass. Mass of magnesium is 24. Mass of chlorine is 35.5. So when you multiply 24 plus 35.5 into 2 gives you 71. And when you add these 2 numbers, you get the net answer as 95. So 95 Dalton. Let us go to the next one, potassium nitrate. Here, how many atoms are present? Here, 3 types of atoms, potassium, nitrogen, oxygen. So, how many brackets we require? Now, this time we require 3 brackets. How many brackets, children? We require 3 brackets. Now, how many potassium? 1. How many nitrogen? 1. And how many oxygen? 3. What is the next procedure? Multiply with its atomic mass. So mass of potassium is 39, nitrogen is 14 and oxygen is 16. So we are going to get this 39 plus 14 and 16 3s are 48. Add these 3 numbers, and when you add these 3 numbers you get the total as 101 Dalton. Clear? The next one is hydrogen peroxide. Again, how many types of atoms are there? 2 times, hydrogen and oxygen. So how many brackets we require? We require 2 brackets. How many hydrogen here? 2. How many oxygen here? 2. What is the next step? Multiply with the atomic mass. Mass of hydrogen 1, mass of oxygen 16. So what do you get? You get this as 2 plus 16 2s are 32. So the total answer is 34 Dalton. Let us go to aluminium chloride. How many types of atoms are there? There are 2 types of atoms. Which are they? Aluminium and chlorine. How many aluminium? 1. How many chlorine? 3. Now let us multiply with the atomic mass. Mass of aluminium is 27. Mass of chlorine is 35.5. So this comes to 27 plus 3 into 35.5 comes to 106.5. When you add the two values, you get 133.5 Dalton. Moving to calcium hydroxide. Here, how many types of atoms? Calcium, oxygen, hydrogen. So total 3. So we require 3 brackets. We require 3 brackets. Now, how many atoms of calcium? 1. Oxygen, outside the bracket 2. So we have 2 oxygen. And how many hydrogen? Outside the bracket again 2. So hydrogen also we have 2. Now what we will do? We will multiply with the mass. We will multiply with the mass. So mass of calcium is 40. Mass of oxygen is 16. And mass of hydrogen is 1. So what do you get? 40 plus 16 2s are 32 and 2 1s are 2. So the net answer comes to 74 Dalton. Clear? Next, magnesium oxide. For magnesium oxide, children, again we require 2 brackets. How many magnesium? 1. How many oxygen? 1. Multiply with the atomic mass. Mass of magnesium is 24. Mass of oxygen is 16. So 24 plus 16 gives you how much? It comes to 40 Dalton. Sulfuric acid. How many types of atoms we have? Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. 3 types. So we require 3 brackets. We require 3 brackets. How many hydrogen? 2. How many sulfur? 1. How many oxygen? 4. Now the next is multiply with its mass. Mass of hydrogen 1, sulfur is 32 and oxygen is 16. So you get 2 plus 32, 16 4s is going to be 64. So when you add these values, you are getting the answer as 98 Dalton. Moving to nitric acid, 3 types of atoms, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So again we require 3 brackets, correct? So hydrogen 1, nitrogen 1, oxygen 3. Multiply with their masses. Mass of hydrogen 1, mass of nitrogen 14, mass of oxygen 16. So this comes to 1 plus 14 plus 16 3s is 48. So when you add these 3 values, you get the net answer as 63 Dalton. Next is sodium hydroxide. So how many types of atoms we have? 3 types. So we require 3 brackets. We require 3 brackets. So how many sodium? 1. How many oxygen? 1. How many hydrogen? 1. Multiply with its atomic mass. Sodium 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. So you are getting the answer as 23 plus 16 plus 1, which comes out as 40 Daltons. Moving to the next one is carbon dioxide. How many types of atoms we have, children? We have 2 types of atom. So we require 2 brackets. We require 2 brackets. How many carbon? 1. How many oxygen? 2. So carbon mass is 12. Mass of oxygen is 16. So that comes to 12 plus 16 2s is 32. And the total answer comes out to 44 Dalton. Moving to sodium sulfate. How many types of atoms are there? 3 types. 1 for sodium, 1 for sulfur and 1 for oxygen. So total 3 brackets. Now how many sodium? 2. How many sulfur? 1. How many oxygen? 4. Let us multiply with the mass. Mass of sodium is 23. Mass of sulfur is 32. And mass of oxygen is 16. So let us multiply. 22 into 2 gives you 46. 32 into 1 is 32 and 16 fours are 64. So when you add these three values, you are getting the answer as 142 Daltons. Now coming to potassium carbonate, three types of atoms, potassium, carbon and oxygen. So we require 3 brackets. How many brackets? 3 brackets. How many potassium? 2, carbon 1 and oxygen 3. Multiply with the mass. So mass of potassium is 39, carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So you are getting 39 into 2 gives you 78, 12 into 1 is 12 and 16 threes is 48. So the net answer you get as 138 Dalton. Coming to sodium bicarbonate, how many types of atoms you have? We have 4 types of atoms here. Sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. How many sodium? 1. Hydrogen 1. Carbon 1. Oxygen 3. Multiply with its mass now. Sodium mass is 23. Hydrogen is 1. Then carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So what do you get? 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48. So the net answer is 84 Daltons. And now coming to the last one, aluminium phosphate. How many types of atoms you have here? You have aluminium, you have phosphorus and you have oxygen. How many aluminium? 1, phosphorus 1 and oxygen how many we have? How many oxygen we have? 4. Multiply with its mass. Mass of aluminium 27, phosphorus is 31 and oxygen is 16. So 27 plus 31, 16 fours are 64. So the net answer comes to 122 Dalton. 122 Dalton. Now children listen. On this page we have done how many? So many sums we have done. Now out of this children I have ticked some questions. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Children, these 7 questions are there in the exercise question which is question 5. So in question 5 we have these ticked questions whose solutions are already given in this video. Okay.